Hello, homeowners and future homeowners. Today I'm diving into the 5 unexpected truths of owning a home that might just surprise you. First up, budgeting doesn't stop at the purchase price. That's right. When you buy a home, there are ongoing costs many people don't initially think about. From property taxes and insurance to maintenance and repairs, owning a home is like having a car. It needs constant care and sometimes unexpected expenses pop up. Second truth, your home is an emotional investment as much as it is a financial one. Ever heard of the term house proud? It's real. The pride of homeownership can bring immense joy. However, it can also bring stress, especially when things go wrong. The emotional roller coaster is a part of the package deal. Moving on to number 3, DIY skills are your new best friend. Trust me, the more you can handle on your own, the more money you'll save. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet or patching up a hole in the wall, gaining these skills will not only save you money but also give you a great sense of achievement. Fourth on our list, the neighborhood matters as much as the house itself. You're not just buying a house, you're buying into a community. The vibe, the amenities, the commute, and yes, even the neighbors can make or break your living experience. And lastly, homes evolve just like we do. Your needs today might not be your needs in 5 or 10 years. That office you needed, it might become a nursery, or the huge backyard might need to be downsized as maintenance becomes a chore. Flexibility is key. Owning a home is one of life's biggest milestones, and knowing these truths can help you navigate it a bit more smoothly. Until next time, keep learning, keep improving, and enjoy the journey of homeownership. See you in the next video.